How's it, guys? Vincent Hoffman here. Okay guys, I'm going to try and keep this as short and sweet as possible. This is going to be a very basic tutorial on how to use Binance. Okay? If you don't already have an account on Binance, I would greatly appreciate it if you could use my link below. That's it. Okay, let's go straight to it. So once you have you've opened your account, you enter in your details. I do recommend you use two-factor authentication. Maybe not to start with if you don't have too much. To do so, you just need to go in the settings and enable two-factor authentication. Make sure you've downloaded the app called Google Authenticator from the App Store. And then once you've entered in your login details, you have to play this little game and fit the puzzle piece relatively quickly. Then you enter in your password, your authenticator number, and then you're in. Okay, so did I tell you download the Google Authenticator from the App Store onto your mobile phone? Okay, just in case that wasn't clear. So we're in here. Let's go into my funds. I don't have too much here. Exchange, we'll go to basic. Okay, so let's say you wanted to buy something on Binance. I'm going to look at IOTA. I'm on IOTA. IOTA. That's a quality coin, definitely worth buying into. Just to talk about that very quickly, IOTA has a very strong coin, got a great community. I estimate within the next 3 months max it's going to boom. I know that they've partnered up with Bosch, and there's some big announcement about something called Q. It's a big secret. That's coming out shortly, within the first quarter, and that's the first 3 months of 2018. Anyway, let's have a look here. Before I forget, this is not financial advice. Don't sue me if you lose everything. Don't bet anything. Don't bet, it's not betting. Don't invest anything you can't afford to lose, okay? That's just standard protocol to say that. Alright, so where was I? We're looking at IOTA here. Okay, so yes, if you have money, when I say money, if you have cryptos on another exchange and you want to send it here, don't send Bitcoin. I wouldn't even recommend Ethereum. Find a currency which is on both and send that. For instance, Litecoin. Litecoin, it's either very cheap or free, I can't remember. Actually, you have to pay a withdrawal fee from another exchange. But you send that, and then once it comes, it'll be in order, and it'll become available in, I don't know, some minutes, maybe half an hour. Anyway, so once you've deposited your Litecoin, hypothetically speaking, we'll go just quickly do that. Litecoin. Now, assuming you want to sell it immediately and buy something else, or at least place your bid in something else, we'll come to market. Okay, here's the chart. So market, if you want to buy or sell immediately, we'll come to market. Litecoin, apparently I've got a tiny bit, but it's too little to trade with. So market price, we don't have to say anything about the price because it's immediate, somewhere around there. Amount, you enter your amount or press one of these. I want to sell all of it. Sell, boom, and that's immediate. I'll have Bitcoin, because this is a Bitcoin and Litecoin trading pair. Over here you've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, which is a special crypto for the exchange, and US dollars, I think. So hypothetically speaking, if I had Litecoin and I wanted to exchange it for US dollars, I would sell and I would have my dollars. Okay? Yeah, I'm assuming that's US dollar. USDT. I am a noob, I admit it. Okay, so anyway, let's go back to this. Bitcoin, Litecoin, I sold it immediately. Now I have Bitcoin to trade with, okay? Now let's go back to IOTA. If I wanted to buy it immediately, market price, all my Bitcoin, buy, boom. Let's look at limits. This is more advisable if you know what you are doing. Okay, so looking at this trend here, it's on a general downward trend at the moment, very slight. It's still having a little peak here. It's probably going to dip over here within the next few hours, maybe a day. And like I said, I think within 3 months it's going to boom, but it could drop. I don't know how low. I don't want to tell you what it will drop to because I don't know. No one knows. But if I was going to buy IOTA now, right now, I would put it at 0.0023, maybe even a little bit lower. But I like to know that I have my coins sooner than later. So limit all my Bitcoin. The price, okay, so 0.0223. That means I will get more IOTA, more bang for my buck. But it'll only be executed once the market reaches that point and has executed all the orders prior to yours. Even if there's someone else on 0.0023, if he places his order 10 seconds before you, 10 days before you, his will be executed first, okay? And then when yours is executed, you will have IOTA. Is there anything else I should tell you? We've done limits. If you want to place your bid, mark it if you want it immediately. I think that's it. Guys, if you have any questions about Binance, please feel free to ask me. Whether I've discussed it or not, ask me. I'll be more than happy to help you. And that's it. I don't know if I already said it. Guys, if you don't have an account with Binance, please use my link. If you don't use my link, it doesn't help you any more than if you did. Okay guys, that's it. If you have any questions, I'm here. Bye for now.